Hi, it's Kerry Fitzgibbon here, and in this instructional video I'm going to show you how you can apply for Facebook subscription messaging so that you can broadcast out to all of your subscribers through whatever chatbot app that you are using. So first of all, you have to go onto your page, then you go to settings over here. Then we go over here down to message platform, click on this. We go into advanced message features, so we jump to that section. And over here we go down to request over here with subscription messaging, and we click request. Now we fill out a small questionnaire here, or you tick the appropriate box on how you plan on using the subscription messaging feature. Now you've got the choice out of news to inform people, productivity to help people manage personal productivity, and personal tracking. For the most part, you'll be ticking news, as the other two are a little bit too specific. So here we put in the detail of what type of messages you will send. This is where you could say things like your business sends out periodic alerts on important news in, and then fill in your industry. So for instance, for this particular page here, I'm going to put social media, Kerry Fitzgibbon, social media for business, sends out periodic alerts on important Facebook marketing news or updates. So then you want to add a couple of examples. They give you an idea here, but I'm just putting things like just a quick update. The Facebook page info and ads tab has disappeared. For some, maybe all. At this stage, I don't know if it's permanent or just a glitch. Anyway, not all is lost. You can still see ads. Other pages are running. Check the website for more details. So very non-promotional, it's just informational. And there are some big changes to Facebook groups. If you run a Facebook group, the group type is about to change. Read the blog to find out more, right? Nice and simple non-promotional posts. You can add some examples or more examples if you want. You confirm that the page won't use subscription messaging to send advertisements or promotional messages and will follow messenger policies and Facebook community standards. So you can go on and read these if you want, and then we just save this draft. And then we can submit for review. They say it will take up to 5 business days. We've been noticing that some have been taking longer. So if it doesn't work the first time round and you've waited about a week, then go in and contact Facebook, or go in and go through this process again. So that's how you start setting your page up for subscription messaging. If you don't do this, as from the 31st of July 2019, you will have to pay to send out broadcast messages. And they're saying it's around about $20 or $30 per 1,000 impressions. So let me know how you go, and good luck with setting your page up for subscription messaging.